What 41 to 50. Please read the question number also correctly. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Question number 41. What are the sectors of the Indian economy? Sectors of Indian economy. There are three sectors of the Indian economy. They are primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector. Question number 42. Which sector is also called an industrial sector? The secondary sector includes the industries where the finished products are made from natural materials produced in the primary sector. It is also called industrial sector. Question number 43. Which sector is also called as social sector? When the activity involves providing intangible goods like services, then this is part of the tertiary sector. It is also called as service sector. What is called an organized sector? The sector which carries out all activity through a system and follows the law of the land is called the organized sector.
Yeah.
What do you mean by
Banking is working in which sector? Banking is a service
Services.
sector. Banking
service
is a
sector?
service sector, but however, it is an organized one. We follow certain rules. Everybody is given same salary, same pension, everything. That is organized sector. Unorganized
Okay.
sector is the function of the, say, coolies, then construction workers, auto rickshaw walas, taxi drivers, and all that. Yeah, continue.
What do you mean by national income? National income is referred to as the total monetary value of all services and goods that are produced by a nation during a period of time.
Good. Continue.
What is GDP? GDP is the total monetary or market value of all the finished goods and services produced within a country's borders in a specified time period.
Gross
What is
domestic. You forgot to read gross domestic product.
okay?
That is why the question is asked. Continue.
What is NDP? Net domestic product is an annual measure of the economic output of a nation that is adjusted to account for the depreciation that accounts for capital that has been consumed over the year in the form of housing, vehicle, or machinery deterioration.
Good. Continue.
What is depreciation?
Read question
Depreciation,
number. Read question
question
number.
number 48. Question number 48. What is depreciation? Depreciation is the process of deducting the cost of a business asset over long period of time rather than over the course of 1 year. Question number 49. What is GNP? Gross National Product is an estimate of the total value of the final products and services turned out in a given period by the means of production owned by a country's residents. Question number 50. What is NNP? Net national product is the gross national product. The total is gross national product, the total value of finished goods and services produced by a country's citizens overseas and domestically minus depreciation.
Minus depreciation. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now we have Amritanshu. Amritanshu, you are appearing for which interview?
Sir, legal, NIACL legal stream.
Yeah, acha, acha, very good. Now please continue reading 51 to 60. Of course, they will not
Okay.
ask much of these questions, but knowledge of this will be helpful. Yesterday, I have added 4 files in your NIACL folder, which I request you to read afterwards. One such file is this one, Mr.
Okay.
Yeah, Amritanshu. Please read 51 to 60.
Yes, sir.
Read the question number
50.
also.
Yes, sir. 51. What is a factor cost? Factor cost constitutes production cost, which includes the cost of raw materials, machine cost, salary, and many more things at ground level.
Number 52.
52. What is market cost? Market cost constitutes the wholesale cost, which includes transportation cost, salary, indirect cost, maintenance cost, cost at ground level, and marginal profit. 53. What is MIBOR? MIBOR is acronym for Mumbai Interbank Offer Rate, the yardstick of Indian call money market. It is the rate at which banks borrow unsecured funds from one another in the interbank market. Question number 54. What are polling rates? Polling rates are taken through a representative panel of 30 banks and primary dealers. The rates provided by this panel will be summarized. Question number 55. What is bootstrapping? Bootstrapping methods involves statistical testing of the mean reference rate for the purpose of reducing the noise and identifying the deviations in the data gathered from the market participants. Question number 56. What is MIBID? MIBID is the rate of interest that a bank would be willing to pay to secure a deposit from another bank in the Indian interbank market. MIBID stands for the Mumbai Interbank Bid Rate. Question number 57. What is the electronic waybill? Electronic waybill or e-waybill is basically a compliance mechanism wherein by way of a digital interface, the person causing the movement of goods uploads the relevant information prior to the commencement of the movement of the goods and generates e-waybill on the GST portal. Now question number 58. When was the interstate e-waybill implemented? An electronic waybill, that is e-waybill, is basically a repetition is there. So can I directly read the date of implementation?
What happened?
Sir, repetition of 57th definition is there in 58th question answer.
Oh.
So
No.
means directly I can read implementation date.
Yeah, only that is there. But read it once again fully. Doesn't matter.
Okay, sir. An electronic e-waybill is basically a compliance mechanism wherein by way of a digital interface, the person causing the movement of goods uploads the relevant information prior to the commencement of the movement of goods and generates e-waybill on the GST portal. Interstate implementation of e-waybill is notified to be implemented from 1st April 2018.
Amritanshu, how did you arrive that full matter is given? Did you read it beforehand? पहले पढ़ा है ना क्या?
No, sir.
But very nice. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate your eyesight is so nice. You are able to see it correctly. I appreciate you. Continue. 59.
Okay. Question number 59. What are the objectives of e-waybill? Objectives of e-waybill are single e-waybill for hassle-free. Second is no need for a separate transit pass in each state for the movement of goods. And the third objective is shift for departmental policing model to self-declaration model for movement of goods. Now question number 60. What are the benefits of electronic waybill? Benefits of GST e-waybill are first, ultimately the digital interface system, which facilitate a faster movement of goods, improve the turnaround time of trucks, and help the logistics industry by allowing for an increase in the average distances traveled. Second benefit is taxpayers need not visit any tax officer or check post for generation of e-waybill, movement of goods across states. Third benefit is no waiting time at checkposts and faster movement of goods, thereby optimum use of vehicle resources, since there are no checkposts in the GST regime. Fourth benefit is user-friendly e-waybill system. Fifth benefit is easy and quick generation of e-waybill. Next benefit is check and balances for smooth tax administration and process simplification for easier verification of e-way bill by tax officers. Last benefit is all of these benefits will reduce travel time and as well as the travel costs.
Very good.